Eliminate flies and mosquitoes for good, using this household item. Summer downpour and mild temperatures bring a swarm of mosquitoes. Did you notice that flies and mosquitoes are more active when the temperature rises over 80 degrees Fahrenheit? With so many diseases carried by mosquitoes, learning how to prevent yourself and your family from all these troublesome insects. The mosquitoes and flies completely vanished after we tried this method. That is why we would like to teach you this technique. But first, tell us which insects irritate you so much in your home. With today's video, you'll discover how to create a natural mosquito and insects repellent at home. Mosquitoes, while many people dislike them, perform a crucial part in nature. Rather than killing them, consider options to keep them away from the house or garden. Mosquitoes and flies may both be highly annoying, particularly on warm days and at night. Learn about the ingredients in this method that you may use to drive them out of your house for good. Since vinegar has an unpleasant odor for mosquitoes and ants, it is advised for driving these insects away. Cloves are high in eugenol, an insecticidal compound. It is a strong disinfectant and bactericide that repels insects and ants. Bay leaf, on the other hand, has a distinct odor that repels insects and stops them from reproducing. Isn't it amazing? Take note of these ingredients for the recipe. Half a cup of white vinegar. 2 tablespoons of cloves. 2 bay leaves. A glass of water. How to make. Boil the water in a pot with the bay leaves and cloves for 10 minutes. Allow it to cool after that. Strain it, then add the white vinegar and stir thoroughly. Transfer the solution in a spray bottle and you're done. Because it smells like cloves, you may use it to cleanse the kitchen table, the floor, the dishwasher, the tables, the sofa, and the area around the windows. Since mosquitoes dislike the fragrance of cloves, this will keep them away from your home. Have you tried this before? Do you think it is really effective? Comment down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want more health and wellness tips. And hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching.